Hey everyone, I'm Liz Merrick. Welcome to the Sugar Geek Show, and we have Avalon here too, and we're going to tell you all about our new tutorial, the Christmas tree cake. Getting me in the mood for Christmas. Dance. Dancing. We're so excited about Christmas this year, you guys, and in that excitement, I decided the best kind of cake to make you would be this sculpted Christmas tree cake. Yeah? Dance. Okay, more dancing. Okay. You're going to... In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a bunch of cool things, guys. I'm going to teach you obviously how to make the Christmas tree cake out of actual cake. Yes, this is all cake from top to bottom, sculpted. It's amazing. Easier than you even think, right? I'm going to show you how to make all of the decorations, all the bling, all the sparkle, the big star, Avalon's favorite part, how to do lights on a tree. It seems simple, but it was actually extremely complicated, and I'm going to pass that information on to you. And the piece de resistance. Piece de resistance. Piece? It's hard to say with braces. The best part, how to make the whole tree spin. To me, this is the iconic Christmas tree cake, except for, you know, small size, manageable size. This would make a great centerpiece for your holiday dinner celebration, for a Christmas party, with lots of goodies all around it. I can just see it in my brain now. The best part is we have this nice ring of cake around the outside here, so you can easily serve up slices of cake without destroying the actual cake if you don't want to. So we got plenty of servings all the way around here for a Christmas party, and you could even accent it with more desserts, and we don't have to cut up our pretty Christmas tree cake, because you know how that would kill me. It kills me. Even though it's cake, it's still art, right? So we've got a ton of stuff to learn on this one, guys. Let's go ahead and get our jingle bells and let's get started.